me on a
and welcome to Dede's Home Interior. My name is Dede. Welcome to my channel. On this channel, I do home decor, inspiration and ideas, and some organization. I also strive to show you how to create homes that look way more high-end than they actually are. If this is something you're interested in, please sit back, relax, stay tuned, and keep on watching. As you guys can see in today's video, I am in my living room. This video is all about decorating with me for fall 2023. You guys are gonna come with me as I decorate my living room. In our previous video, I showed you guys some furniture I got from Hernest, which is a company that is interested in changing the game when it comes to customer service. And guys, I have been so impressed. I am really elated to have collaborated with this company. But guys, I can't wait for you guys to try out their products. I have a discount code with them, and it's also affiliated. Anything that you purchase from their website, I kind of get a little commission on that. So please do well to check them out and thank me later. On that note, today we are going to be decorating my living room. I'm going to show you guys the new placement. So many exciting things in this video. I have changed my living room around a little bit. You might have seen that from the previous video. And I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm decorating this space now and making it look very cozy, warm, and welcoming. So if you're interested in seeing anything of that sort, sit back, relax, get a cup of coffee or tea, and watch this video to get some inspiration. Okay guys, so if you watched our last video, you will see that we got this TV stand or console table or display table, and we did a setup for this. This has a lot of storage and it's very good, especially if you have kids and you have a lot of things going on. I'm going to show you guys what the coffee table that we set up looks like in just a minute, but this is what this console looks like, and I really like the details of it. And then this is what the rest of the living room looks like without the coffee table. I'm gonna go ahead and add the coffee table in just a minute so that you guys can see the difference that the coffee table made here. Before, we used to have a chair right here, like an accent chair right here, but we took that chair out just because we wanted to put the console table. We have officially changed the look of the living room, and this is what it's looking like so far. And I really like this new look because it gives enough space for the kids as well to play around here and to just walk around the living room.
As mentioned earlier, this table is from Hernest Furniture, and I really love it. I showed a lot more details about the table in our previous video. Please check it out. The details on this table screams modern, luxury, and chic. Very natural, contemporary, and organic.
Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah. Better nights, better days.
So you can see how beautiful this coffee table looks like. It kind of has a lot of beautiful details, modern, elegant details, just like the TV stand or the display cabinet or the console table, whatever you want to call it. But these details, I love how beautiful it is, and I love the details on the display cabinet as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead now and decorate and just add some accessories all around the living room so we can see what it's gonna look like. I already decorated the display cabinets around the TV, and I like how that looks. Nothing is gonna change there, but we are gonna change the living room area.
Jaden! Where's your location? Used to talk 24/7.
Using this acrylic book holder, which is a game changer for your home decor needs, I'm just going to use it to display one of my home decor books. What I do is I find a page that could ignite a conversation, meaning when someone goes around here and sees that page, they are curious as to what is in this book. They can pick it up and read. So yeah, I love using display books.
And I have to know, say.
So the fall pumpkins were gotten from Shein. I really love how they complement my space. I wanted something a little bit moody, and I love the color and the vibe it brought to this space.
Any night, any day, let me take you away.
After putting in the pumpkins, I'm still gonna go with this vase that I used in our entryway the last time. So I'm gonna use it here just to add texture, because I love all the texture in this vase, and I love the gold underneath. And to go in with more texture, because of course texture makes it look even better, I'll add this bowl in here. So when someone comes, you do not know that there are two pieces in one. It just gives a visually appealing look in this area. When you look at it from a distance, it gives a very beautiful and visually appealing look. So I love how the texture in this display bowl just makes it look really nice. So I'm just going to put it right here, and I'll put nothing in it. I just love how it complements the bigger bowl.
Don't wanna wait in line.
One thing I love about the florals here is the gold that it has. It kind of complements the white, and it just gives that really nice look. So I was going with the colors on the wall art because I wasn't going to change the wall art, and I love how everything looks together.
Ready in love, but nowhere to call my home.
So I'm just loving all the neutrals that I brought to this space. This pillow covers just did it for me. And remember my friend in Ohio that I decorated her house, and I said she had a business? I got these pillow covers from her, and boy oh boy, I am loving them. This has been going strong for the past 1 year that I've had it, and I still love my pillow covers. So do well to send her a DM just to place your own order. It can be very technical placing throw pillows or throw blankets as well, because they can mess up your decor. So you have to be very careful on how you put your throw pillows and your throw blankets, and do not use them to clutter the space, but use them to decorate and make your space look nice, warm, cozy, and welcoming. One thing you will notice is I always hate my pillows like this, just to fluff them out and make them even before putting them on my couch. I might not show that a lot in my videos, but that's something that is a habit, and it has always kept my pillows in shape even when they're out of shape. You might have the same problem like I do, because sometimes the kids would jump on this, they'll lay down on it, my husband lays down on it, and so it can be very difficult to maintain the shape of your throw pillows. So you have to do that so that they could take the shape again. And I had mentioned earlier about throw blankets, not to use them to litter your space or make your space look very ill. So make them to look like a complement to your space, and even make your space look better with the throw pillows. This white minimalist cute bubble vase is from Target, and I love it. I complemented it with some florals that I don't remember where I got from. Our bubble vase has a little sister, which I'm going to use to complement the coffee table decor for today's video. I am also going to use this candle to kind of add some, visually appealing look with a set of 3 to it. Guys, let me know what you think, because we are almost at the end of our decoration for today's video. Just a quick reminder, this is what the living room looked like before we added everything, and this is what it looks like right now.